Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to fix connection issues between your JBL Tune Beam earbuds and an iPhone. So first of all, let's open our Bluetooth settings on iPhone. So now as we see our Bluetooth is on, let's try to connect to our JBL Tune Beam. It's not connecting as you see. Sometimes it can prompt a mistake, so let's put our headphones back to their case. So as you see, connection is successful. Press OK. Let's put them back to the case. Let's try to connect one more time. Now it shows us that connection is unsuccessful and our iPhone can no longer connect to our JBL Tune Beam. In this case, press Forget Device, turn off your Bluetooth and close the charging case. Now let's turn our Bluetooth back. Let's open our case. Let's take out our headphones and wait a few seconds. So as you see, our iPhone has already detected the device. Simply press here, give it a few seconds to connect, and we're good to go. Now, as you see, we're connected again. To confirm the connection, let's choose our JBL headphones application, open it up, and as you see, our phone easily finds them and connects to them. Hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.